this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a t-shirt design to sell on Etsy. I'm also going to show you which tools and techniques you can use to create your t-shirts. And finally, I will show you how you can set the prices for your t-shirts on Etsy. So let's get started. To begin, I will recommend you that you always make a research because you don't want to invest time and effort doing something that no one is gonna buy. So to start with our research, in case that you don't have any idea of which niche you want to start to create your t-shirts on, what you can do is use the help of AI. And for this, I'm just gonna go and open my ChatGPT account. And over here, I'm just gonna ask it to give me ideas of activities that can take t-shirts on Match. So I can go and start to get some ideas of which t-shirts designs I can create and sell on Etsy. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna let it write it. So over here we have group or family, team events, celebrations of parties, travel, special interest of groups, awareness, work-related activities, school, outdoor adventures, and holiday celebrations. So as you can see, from here you can get a lot of ideas to start to make some research for your t-shirts. From here, I think I really like the bachelor parties with t-shirts with phrases like Brad Squad or Groom's Crew. I think this is a very fun topic for me to create my designs. And once I grab some ideas from ChatGPT, I can go and make some research on Etsy so we can see if we actually have an opportunity with this topic. So I'm just gonna go and open Etsy, and over here, I'm just gonna go and search for bachelor t-shirts. And now we have some options of some bachelor t-shirts that I can start to create. But first, I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna evaluate how this niche is doing. And to do this, I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna open one of these products. And to evaluate it, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna use my Everv account. So now that I have found this product, I can go to my Everv account, I can go to the section of keyword research. Over here, I can take a look of how this keyword is doing in the Etsy market. So I can go paste it, and over here it's going to tell us the competition and the keyword score. We can also see the search volume, which is good, and then we can start to analyze if we can create designs for this type of t-shirts. So I think it's not so bad, and we can even go to the product analytics. And over here I'm gonna make exactly the same. I'm just gonna go paste my keyword, and over here we can see the price of the t-shirts, we can see the monthly estimated sales, the monthly revenue, and the total sales. So as we can see, it's a product that actually gets a lot of sales, and we can see that sellers under this niche is making up to $40,000 per month, which is insane. We have 22,000, 21,000, 24, and it keeps going. So I think this is a good niche for me to start the creation of my t-shirts. Once we identify the niche for our t-shirt, we can start the design process. And for this, I will be using Gelato, which has all the tools you need for print on demand in one place. Gelato allows us to design and create amazing mockups for our Etsy listing with just one click. And one of the best things about Gelato is the integration with Etsy, as well as other platforms. This means you can focus on designing your t-shirts while Gelato handles the mockups, deliveries, and other technical details. And I have great news. If you sign up now, Gelato is offering a 50% off for your first print order. So if you don't have an account yet, you can click the link on my description and sign up for free. And once you're logging into your Gelato account, we will open this section. And over here, we can see all the types of products that Gelato offers. So as you can see, there are so many options of products that we can create with Gelato. But for this video, I'm going to be focusing on the t-shirts for women. So we actually have to go to the women's clothing section. Over here, I'm just going to open it. And as you can see, we have a lot of options as well. We have the t-shirts, hoodies, sweat t-shirts, jackets, vests, polos, tank tops, so we get a lot of options for our products. So for this product, I could even go and create t-shirts and hoodies, or we could even get very specific and we can create tank tops for our bachelor t-shirts. But for now, I'm just gonna be following into the t-shirt section. First of all, we have to go and take a look of the shipping region. Over here, because I'm going to be selling it on the US, I have to go and change it over here. So I'm just going to go and change it to North America, But as you can see, we have so many options. We have Europe, United Kingdom, Asia, South America, and the rest of the world. And you can even go and click in all regions. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it on North America. Over here, we can select the t-shirt that we want to sell on our Etsy store. So if you position your mouse over the product, you can see the sizing for your t-shirt. So we have S, M, L, XL, and 2XL. We can also see the different colors that it offers, and we can check the pricing for this t-shirt. So over here, we have different options. So it will depend on your product and your pricing which of these options you're going to choose. And also if you want to sell the t-shirt on different colors, I will also recommend you that you check the colors available for each of these t-shirts. So we have this one, they have different colors. As you can see, we have pink and gray, and over here we have different pink but different colors. And you can even go and check this over this option. We have more expensive and we have more cheap options. So over here, you just have to go and select the one that adjusts to your needs. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna choose this option. And as you can see, over here, we can see how it's gonna look our t-shirt. We have the front, we have the back of it, we have the mock-up of it, so how it would look, and we also have like different close-ups and back of it. So you just have to check if you actually like this model. Otherwise, you go back and then you choose a different one. As you can see, the model is a man because this t-shirt is actually unisex, so we can use it as well for women. And over here, we can go and select the color and the sizes. So over here, we can check that the product price is going to be $8 and the shipping is going to be $3.99, so $4. We can also see that this product is going to be delivered to the United States, and we can also go and check how it would look in different colors. So if I would like to make my bachelor party t-shirts on pink, I can see how it would look. So I think I really like it on pink, and I'm going to keep it on this color. So I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna select M size, and I can click in add to the store. And if you haven't connected your store with Gelato, you just have to go to the section of stores, and over here it's gonna let you connect your Etsy store. But it's not only available for Etsy, we also have Shopify, Amazon, TikTok Shop, and all of these options. So you just have to click in the option of connect, and it's going to take you to the signing of your Etsy shop. And then it will connect your Etsy shop with Gelato. It's that simple. So once you connect and you add this product into your Etsy shop, it comes the moment to create our mockups. And over here, we have the exact mockup of our t-shirt. So I can start to add the designing into my t-shirt. So over here we have the section of product. As you can see, we can go and add different colors. If you want to add more sizing for your t-shirts, you can do it as well over here. So it's not only M. We also have the other options as well as the colors. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it with this same color and this same sizing. Moving on to the section of text is over here where we can go and add the text for our t-shirt. So I can go and click add text, and we can start with the designing of our t-shirt. So I'm gonna take the example from ChatGPT, Bright Squad, and I'm gonna add it into my design. But you can go and customize this text. But if I just add it like that, I don't think it's gonna sell very well. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna change the fonts, and to do this I'm just gonna select my fonts, and we can click in this section. Over here we can go and select one of these free options. So I think actually this one looked very nice, and I can go and increase the size of it. So I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna make it bigger. I can go and even pull from here, and then you can see that it actually showed me where my printing is gonna be, so I have to be careful and just follow the same sizing. So I think something like this. I'm also gonna put it in the middle so it looks very nice. And we can even go and change the color of this. So I think I can go, I'm gonna select it, and we can click over here to change the color of these fonts. So I think this one looks very well, but you can also go and then just add the code of the color that you want to add in case that the color that you want is not here, or you can also go and custom your color over here. So both options work for your text. And now to add more elements into my design, I can go to the section of shoulder stock. Over here, I can go and search for elements that I can go and add into this t-shirt that will actually make it stand out. So you can go and search for bright, or just choose the element that you want to add on your t-shirt. So you can go, I'm actually gonna look for drink because I think like all of the designs have like drink image and stuff. So I can go and then just search for mine. So actually this one looks very well, and I can go and add it over here. So I'm just gonna choose one of these ones because I don't really want to add all of it. And you can go and just start to cut the parts that you don't need from it. So I think I'm gonna go and then just also make it longer here. You can even add tools or something like this would work, I guess. And there we go. You can see that we have all of these strings, so you can go and choose the one that you like the most. It's just that I really like these two options, and I'm gonna be working with these ones. And there we go. I'm gonna be using this one. Then I'm just gonna adjust it to the sizing of my t-shirt. And there we go. We have our text, we have our elements, but in case that you want to be more specific with the elements that you want to add and find elements more like these ones, or just find your own elements, you can go and create yours in designing platforms and then just upload it into your Gelato account. So you can go and click choose file and then you just upload your elements. Or otherwise, you can also go and use platforms like Creative Fabrica where you can go and buy these elements. And in case that you want to make this bachelor t-shirt personalized, Gelato actually offers an automated personalization. So once you get an order, Gelato will fill the details of your t-shirt, which will make the workflow even more smooth. And you can keep adding more elements into your design. So you can go add shapes, you can even change the layout of your t-shirt, you can add stickers. So over here we have some options. So as you can see, we have all of these that you could go and add into your design. But I think for mine, it looks good like this, so I'm just gonna keep it. And now we can move on into mockups. And from here is where we're gonna get our listing pictures for our Etsy shop. So as you can see, we can have some options. Over here we have some male options, but you don't have to use it. Also, we have some women's over here and other options. You don't have to use these ones. You can only use the t-shirt one. So we also have this one. So you can showcase how your t-shirt is gonna look. So I think for me, I'm just gonna be using this one. I think for me, this one worked very well. I think I can also go and use this one of this lady. And you can choose the ones that adjust the best for you. And now we can click in continue to details. Over here is where we're gonna go and add the description of our product. If you don't want to keep this title, you can go and change it. And what I really like about Gelato is that you even get assistance with the generation of your description. So you can click in generate with AI. Then over here, you just make a quick description of your product and the AI will generate it for you. And then we have the rest of the settings. So we can go and enter our tags and you can go and choose between these options if you choose to, but I can go and clicking continue to prices. And it's over here where Gelato makes it very easy for us to understand the pricing of our t-shirts. Over here, you can go and select include the shipping, so we already know how much we have to charge for our t-shirts depending on the margin of profit that you want to make. So over here, if I charge $17 for my t-shirts, I'm gonna be having this profit. And you can keep adjusting till you find the right price for your t-shirts. And once you have found the pricing for your t-shirt, you can click in continue to review. And over here, we can see the retail price and we can see the estimated profit. And finally, we can even see the delivery regions for our t-shirts. And once you are complete with all of these details, you can click in publish. But in case that you want to change something, you can also go and save it as a template. And there you have it, the process to create amazing t-shirts that you can sell on Etsy using Gelato. Don't forget to check the link on my description for your 50% discount. And if you're interested in learning how to create wall art to sell on Etsy, you can check the link on my description. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Have a great day.